Hello and welcome to The Awakening with Kelvin Piri podcast, part of the Bridges to Prosperity series. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. The information in this episode is based on reports from Bloomberg, Zambian newspapers, and other publicly available sources. It is provided for general informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. In August 2025, the Lusaka Securities Exchange, better known as LuSE, captured global headlines. According to Bloomberg, LuSE's all-share index surged by nearly 56% year-to-date, making it the best-performing stock exchange in the world at that time. In US dollar terms, the gain was even higher, estimated at around 84%. This milestone is extraordinary for a market that until recently was considered a small frontier exchange. Local media such as the Zambia Daily Mail and the Daily Nation echoed the story, noting LuSE's rapid rise and framing it as a reflection of Zambia's changing economic landscape. What is driving the performance? Several key factors explain why LuSE is outperforming the world in 2025. The copper boom. Zambia is Africa's second largest copper producer, and copper prices have been climbing sharply this year. As Bloomberg reported, this copper boom has lifted investor sentiment and boosted earnings expectations for mining-related firms. When copper rises, Zambia's entire economy feels the lift, and LuSE has become the mirror of that strength. Stronger corporate performance companies listed on LuSE are reporting improved earnings. A notable example is Copperbelt Energy Corporation, CEC, which became Zambia's first company to reach a $1 billion valuation. This type of milestone increases both local and foreign investor confidence, economic reforms and policy confidence. Over the last 2 years, Zambia has introduced structural reforms aimed at stabilizing the economy, reducing debt distress, and building investor trust. These reforms have reassured both institutional and retail investors, encouraging more trading on the exchange. Currency stability and investor inflows. The kwacha has shown resilience, supported by higher export revenues from copper. This makes LuSE stocks more attractive to foreign investors who see opportunities to gain not only from share prices but also from currency strength. Growing retail participation. LuSE has made efforts to expand retail investor access, including the use of mobile trading platforms. In 2025, reports showed a surge in small investors taking part in the market. This broadens liquidity and contributes to sustained growth. The bigger picture, what we're seeing is not just a one-off rally. LuSE's strong showing in 2025 builds on momentum from 2024, when its market capitalization increased by more than 140%. That foundation helped position Zambia's exchange for the kind of global recognition it is now receiving. So what does this mean? For Zambia, it's a story of economic resilience and renewed investor confidence. For Africa, it is another example of how frontier markets can surprise the world when the right conditions align: natural resources, policy reforms, and investor participation. The Lusaka Securities Exchange's performance is a reminder that even smaller markets can rise to the very top of global rankings. If you enjoyed this analysis and want to hear more stories about building, investing, and creating a brighter future in Africa, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Building Dreams in Africa. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes. This has been The Awakening with Kelvin Piri. Until next time, stay well, stay hopeful, and God bless.